Good morning, everybody. Welcome. You're joining me here this morning at the Aerometal International Facility at the Aurora State Airport. We've been here for 15 years or so, and we specialize in the restoration and operation of large vintage aircraft, as you can see, like those behind me. But we're not here to talk about this morning. I've got something I need to show you. I want to show you. It's right here at Aurora State. We're at the southern end of the field here now, and why don't we just take a quick trip up the taxiway? We've got to get up to the opposite end of the Alpha taxiway, so follow me out here. Okay, so we're only about a mile north of where we were just now. We're at the opposite end of the Alpha taxiway at Aurora, obviously Oregon. And what I want to show you is right in here. Follow me in here. Now we're not here to talk about this as beautiful as it is. Come on around here. This is about as big an airplane as you can get in this hangar, I think. We've got a PBY. Okay, this aircraft is a 1941 built PBY-5A, actually originally built as a CAMSO for the Canadian Armed Forces. It's been here at Aurora for several years, and there are a number of remarkable things about the aircraft, but it is, as far as we're aware, it is the lowest time example surviving. It has never been a firebomber. It's never been worked. It's been a corporate airplane its entire life. We'll talk more a little about its history here shortly, but the really spectacular thing is the level of structural restoration that the current owner has accomplished in the last few years. I've seen the aircraft progress for a number of years, and in the last 5 years, the work has been accomplished to an incredibly high standard, and I have never seen this level of structural restoration on one of these aircraft at all, ever. Okay guys, we're inside the airplane, the aft cabin. I'm sitting inside the blister on the left-hand side of the aircraft, possibly one of the coolest seats in aviation. We are surrounded by fresh primer, new hardware, new material, tens of thousands of man-hours invested in the structural restoration of the hull, the fuselage, the pylon, and center section wing. It's got to be a rare opportunity to get into an aircraft like this, into this project at this stage, with perhaps all the hard work accomplished. An amazing airplane and an amazing opportunity for somebody to turn this into what they want, pick it up at this point, and get creative.